Right, so me and the old man. Say hey, your dad.
Hi there, guys.
We're off. I don't know, he's taking me somewhere. Don't know where we're going. We're up in the Brecon Caravan Park somewhere. And we're going for a wander. Dad's brown owl. He's got the stick and his dad with the leader. So let's see where we go.
We're down to the Brecon roundabout. Cross over the road. Then cross over the road again. And down onto the canal bank.
There you are. Right, we're just coming off the A40 roundabout now. A little bit busy, loads of road noise.
Come on, Pa.
Which way now then, Dad? Do we follow
That path there will take up onto the road by the side of the canal, but this is down onto the canal.
steps? Right, so we're on the Brecon Canal. This is the top end, so where I usually get on is right down the other end, so it's good to see the other end.
A few fish in the canal. We don't know their name, but we'll have to find that out.
Glorious day.
Battery down.
Right, so we're just going to bimble across here for a bit. Dad's breaking his new boots in. Let's see what happens.
Magnum Vipers.
Oh, what boots you got?
Magnum Viper.
Not quite sure which one it is. Might be a music festival. I think that's where they have one of the V-dub shows as well. They've come to a fork in the road now. Fork in this way.
Zulu!
Fucking Rorke's Drift, man.
Zulu!
Hello! Hello! Hello!
Hey, Johnny Gibbs. Taxi!
Are you a real Zulu?
Sorry?
Are you a real Zulu?
Yes, yes, yes. Hello. Royalty coming through.
We just made it past Rorke's Drift. And the Zulus. There's wildlife over there with the mallard. Yeah, I think there's a military show over on the site there. Free range eggs. I think we only do a couple of miles because Dad's new boots. Trying to be heroes and go back with back on stumps doing. Where are we now then? What case? 167 and down by my house is bridge 55. Yeah, we've come up with a nice basin area. Well, the canal stopped at the jetty, so we just had to hit a bit of an urban area. The river is on the side of us. That's over there. And we're walking down the red pass, which apparently comes to a river fronty jetty type thing. So it'd be nice to know where the canal started back up again. A couple of fishermen. Caught anything, mister? I think we've done about 1.8 miles now, so. We're in the town area now then. I've just spotted a sign saying the canal is up this way, so we're going to have a look. Castle there. Castle. Ah! So we just popped in Cotswolds Outdoors. Air conditioning, nice and cool. Look around and see what's about. So back out again, trying to find where the canal is. Would be easy if we just looked on a map or something on the phone, but it's a funny now, eh? There's a sign for the canals up that way. It's 2.5 miles we've done now, so we're just going to head back. Because it's a little bit wham. Feet on it?
Yeah.
Right, back into the peace and quiet for a bit. Alright.
Okay.
Are you a real clown?
Fine.
Are you a real clown?
Unfortunately, yes.
Just leaving the marina area. Back on the canal. Good guess. Mikey the pikey'd have his rod in there now. Tickle in a few canal bass. Still there. We've got a cricket match going on over there. Brecon Cricket Club. Oh, it's them Zulu Warriors again. Which one's Michael King? Which one's Will? Because he was always firing at him.
Ah, poor old fucker. Will I have it?
Just come past the entrance to the festival places. Heading back up onto the canal now. Pony. Yeah, if you want to read that, pause the video now. I think that's just over 3 miles we've done so far, so a couple of miles. Feet feel alright?
Yeah.
Jim, Rosie and Jim.
Hi girls.
It's a bit warm, isn't it?
Lovely.
Over 4 miles done. I'm coming back up under the bridge there where we get up onto the A40. Bit noisy, and then back into the caravan and motorhome site. Here we are, Dad, we made it.
We've done it.
Nice
We've only
little-
been and gone and done it.
Right there, glass of milk, feet up and relax. And there we are, back at Brecon Caravan Park. And he's over there somewhere. Right, thanks for watching. It's only a bimble up the canal. But, there you are.